Dear students, welcome to the video class of foundation course. Today I am going to discuss the values of the trigonometric functions at particular angles. Let's start. This is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, and this is 0. This is 0 degree or 0 radian. This is cosec. Cosec 30 degree or pi by 6, 45 degree or pi by 4 radian, then 60 degree or pi by 3 radian, 90 degree or pi by 2 radian, 120 degree or 2 pi by 3 radian, then 135 degree, that is what radian? 135, 45 into 3, 3 pi by 4 radian, and 150 degree. This is 30 into 5, 5 into 30 means pi by 6 radian, then 180 degree or pi radian, right? Then 270 degree or 3 pi by 2 radian. Then suppose 2 pi means 360 degree. Sine 0, sine 30, half, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2. Then sine 91. Observe the concept. 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. After 90, that is greater than 90 and less than 180, theta lies in second quadrant, so sine and cosec are positive. 1, then left this and write root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0 in this manner. Left 1, then root 3 by 2, write this in this manner from right to left except 1, then 1 by root 2, then half, then 0. Clear? Then sine pi by 2, 1, sine 3 pi by 2 minus 1, again sine 2 pi, 360 degree, that is 0. Then cos 0, this is allied angle, 0 and 90 are allied angle, so sine 90 is equal to cos 0, that is 1, write this and this root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2, then 0. Then in second quadrant, after 90 degree, that is greater than 90 and less than 180, theta lies in second quadrant, so cos is negative. So write this minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus root 3 by 2, again minus 1. Clear? Then what is cos 3 pi by 2? Means 270 degree cos 270 degree, that is 0, cos 360 degree, that is 1. Again 10 means sin by cos, 0 by 1 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3, and this is 1 and this is root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, this is root 3, tan 90 infinity, and this is minus root 3, and this is minus 1 by root 3, and tan 90. What is tan 90? Tan 90 is minus 1. Sorry, tan 180. Tan 180 degree, tan 0 0, tan 180 minus 1, then 270 minus infinity, then tan 2 pi. Tan, suppose this is 0. Here 0 by 1, 0. Tan 0 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 infinity, and this is 0, right? And this is 0 and this is infinity, pi by 2 infinity, and 3 pi by 2 minus infinity, 2 pi 0, right? And again cot 0 infinity, 30 degree root 3, 45 degree cot 45 degree 1, and this is 1 by root 3, right? And this is tan 90 infinity, cot 90 0, tan 90 infinity, cot 90 means 1 by infinity 0, and this is cot, this is minus 1 by root 3, clear? This is minus 1 by root 3, this is sin by cos, minus cos by sin, this is cos by sin, minus 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, this is minus 1 by root 3, and this is minus 1, and this is minus root 3, and cot 180, this is minus infinity, right? And cot 270, that is 0, multiple of pi by 2 cot 0, and this is cos 2 pi, right? Cos 2 pi infinity. And what is sec? Reciprocal of cos. This is 1 by 1 1, 2 by root 3, root 2 infinity, and this is minus 2 minus root 2, and this is minus 2 by root 3, and this is minus 1, this is 0 by 1, 0 by 1, 1 by 0 infinity, and this is reciprocal, this is reciprocal of cos is reciprocal, sec is reciprocal of sec, that is cos sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, this is 1, this is 1, and cosec reciprocal of sin, 0 0, sin theta equal to 0, cosec theta equal to cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So 1 by 0 infinity, and this is 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1 2, 1 by root reciprocal root 2, and 2 by root 3, right, 2 by root 3, then 1 by 1, then what? Here 2 by root 3, again reciprocal of this 2 by root 3 and reciprocal of this root 2 and reciprocal of this 2 and reciprocal of this infinity and reciprocal of this minus 1, right, and reciprocal of this 0 by 1, 1 by 0. 0 by 1, 1 by 0 means infinity. Recheck again. Age values: sin 0 0 30 degree half, 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree root 3 by 2, 90 degree 1 sin 90 degree 1, and sin 2 pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2, sin 3 pi by 4, 135 degree, that is 1 by root 2, sin 150 degree half, sin pi degree, pi radian 18 degree, pi radian 18 degree or 18 degree 0, 3 pi by 2 minus 1 and 2 pi 0, right. Again for cos 0 1, root 3 by 2 30 degree, 45 degree, 1 by root 2, 60 degree half, 90 degree 0, then minus half, minus 1 by root 2, minus root 3 by 2, minus 1, 0, then 2 pi means what? 10 means sin by cos, 0 by 1, 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, root 3, 1 by 0 infinity, then root 3 by 2 by half means minus root 3 minus half vachi, then 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 minus 1, this is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, that is minus 1 by root 3, this is 0 by minus 1 0, minus 1 by 0 minus infinity, 0 by 1 0, and got write this value 90 value are infinity, then root 3, then 1, then root 3, then 0. The reciprocal of this minus 1 by root 3, minus 1, minus root 3, right, and this is 10 pi 0 cot pi minus 1, and this is minus 1 because 10 means 8, because 10 0 by minus 1 0, and cot 180 minus 1 by 0 minus infinity, then 0 by minus 1 0 and 1 by 0 infinity. Similarly sec means reciprocal of cos, 1 by 1 root, that is 2 by root 3, root 2 by 1, and this is sec, this is 1 by 2, so reciprocal 2, and this is 1, what is sec here, and this is 0 by 1, its reciprocal 1 by 0 minus 2, root 2 minus root 2, and 2 by minus root 3, this is minus 1, and this is 0 by 1, its reciprocal 1 by 0 infinity, 1 by 1, right, 1. Again write this value here, pi 2 root 2 by root 3 1, Then left this 2 by root 3, root 2 to infinity, and this is reciprocal of sine minus 1 by 1. Its reciprocal minus 1, and this is 0, 0, 0, 0 by 1. Its reciprocal 1 by 0. These are the values of the trigonometric function at particular angles. Right. One trick most of you know the trick in 9th class or 10th class. One trick for you, right? Trick. What is trick? Write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 4. Then take root over. Root over 0 by 4, that is 0. Root over 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Root over, this is 1 by 2, root over 1 by root 2. 2 by 4 root over, this is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, and this is root 3 by 2, and this is root over 3 by 4 means root 3 by 2, and this is 4 root over 4 by 4 means root over 4 by 4 means 1. This is sine 0, and this is 0 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and this is 60 degree, and this is 90 degree. Suppose, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide by 4. Then take square root of each term. Here sine 0 is equal to 0, right? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. And sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree equal to 1. Clear? This trick is already you have known. Now suppose sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. How it is? Draw a equilateral triangle. Draw an equilateral triangle. Suppose this is A and B, and this is C. This angle is 60. This angle is 60. This angle is 60. And draw a perpendicular, right? Suppose this is the angle, this side, each side is equal to A, and this is suppose C and D. BD is equal to A by 2, this is equal to A by 2. Suppose, and this angle is 30 degree, and this angle is 30 degree. So sine 30, what is sine 30? Sine 30 means this angle. Sine 30 means this angle is equal to P by H. What is P? The opposite angle is, opposite side is P. So sine P, this is A by 2. This is P, and what is H? This is H. This is H. So P means here BD by AB, right? So sine 30 degree is equal to BD means A by 2 by A. So cancel sine 30 degree, A cancel. So sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Suppose sine 60, you have to find sine 60. What is how to find sine 60? Sine 60 degree. Which angle is 60 degree? This angle is 60 degree. And sine 60, this angle is 60. What is P here? P here AD. And what is H? H means AB. So that is equal to AD. This is A by 2. And AD is equal to what? AD. AD is equal to root over AB square minus BD square. That is equal to A square minus A square by 4 root over. This is equal to root over. This is equal to root over 3A square by 4. This is equal to root 3A by 2. This is AD. So AD is equal to root 3 by 2. Put here AD means root 3 A by 2 by AB. AB means A. A cancel, that is root 3 by 2. So sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Similarly taking cos, tan, cot, etc. we can find the values of sine 30 degree, 60 degree, cos 30 degree, 60 degree, tan 30 degree, 60 degree, cot 30 degree, 60 degree, cosec or sec 30 degree, 60 degree. Using this triangle we can find all the values. Thank you.